canning don'ts. Don't not follow a recipe. Don't ever do it. Don't use a boiling canner when you need a pressure canner. Don't not adjust for altitude. Always adjust for altitude. Don't use the wrong jar size. Don't overfill your jars. Don't shorten the processing time. Always follow what the recipe says. Don't reuse your lids. Please don't use damaged jars, bent lids, anything like that. Don't use poor quality ingredients. I'll touch more on that later. Do not substitute fresh lemon juice for the prepackaged kind. Don't use metal utensils to get rid of the air. Always use the plastic or wood. Don't tighten your lids too tight. Don't turn your jars upside down to help seal them. And even though you really want to, don't touch those lids or jars for 12 to 24 hours after canning them. But there's a lot of do's that you can do. You can follow the recipe exactly. You can make sure you have a deep enough pot. You can pre-warm your jars when filling them with hot food. You can start the processing time when the water starts to boil. And you can store jars in the fridge if for some reason they didn't seal properly. And always use freezer-safe jars when freezing anything. This is just a summary of the do's and don'ts of canning. Watch the whole course to get details on each one.